Local clinical trials for the Russian COVID-19 vaccine, Sputnik 5, will have to wait a bit more as the Philippine government holds out for necessary data on its initial studies. Greg Gregorio has the details.
The Department of Science and Technology is still waiting for the documents on regulatory procedures before the Phase 3 clinical trial of Russia's Sputnik 5 vaccine could start in the country.
Meron na kami kasing nakuhang konting information, yung synopsis lang nila, but we require the complete technical dossier to be submitted to FDA. So until that happens, hindi po namin fully evaluate yung kanilang product.
The Food and Drug Administration also said they will not approve a Phase 3 clinical trial without thoroughly reviewing all the necessary data generated from previous tests.
Gagawin naman natin yung isang masusing pag-aaral, technical review by our experts ng lahat po ng dokumento ng kanilang mga naunang phases, the earlier phases, including the preclinical studies, bago natin i-approve.
Thousands of individuals are needed for the Phase 3 clinical trial. But due to lack of necessary documents, the criteria for qualified volunteers remains pending. The DOST says data from initial clinical trials usually dictate which age group and target population can be included as subjects. As of now, what's clear is that it could only be given to healthy individuals who have never tested positive for COVID-19. Authorities also insisted that they will not allow any vaccine trial that would require the SARS-CoV-2 virus to be injected in a volunteer.
Unang-una, that is a violation of rights ng tao na kahit siya pumayag pa, alam natin na wala namang gamot para sa COVID-19 sa ngayon at para bigyan mo siya ng danger o posibilidad na magkaroon ng sakit kung hindi epektibo yung bakuna ay delikado at hindi tama.
Before a volunteer is chosen as subject for the trial, they will be asked to give an informed consent as part of ethical standards. Some adverse effects will be explained. These include fever and pain on the part of the body where the vaccine had been injected. Each volunteer will also be compensated.
Hindi pwede magbigay ng malalaking halaga. Bakit? Kasi baka yung mga tao ay sumasali hindi dahil naintindihan nila yung kung ano yung makukuha nila sa trial o voluntaryo nilang gagawin, kundi ginagawa nila dahil may bayad at malaki. So that's what we call undue inducement, no, sa clinical trial. So iniiwasan natin yan.
In the absence of the necessary data, the DOST said the timeline on the availability of the vaccine in the market by June 2021 remains an estimate. The FDA would also need to review the result of Sputnik 5's Phase 3 clinical trial before it could be given a certificate of product registration and have it released commercially. Meanwhile, aside from Sputnik 5, the DOST is also coordinating with other vaccine manufacturers, namely AstraZeneca, Pfizer, Moderna, Sinovac, and Sinopharm. The DOST admits it's impossible for the Philippines to develop a vaccine of its own anytime soon. For News 5, Greg Gregorio, we are One News.